Hey, hi and hello all, welcome back to our channel guys. Actually guys, today in this video it's a different video actually. Today now we are going to tear down this smartphone. Actually not a smartphone, it's a mobile phone. It's a normal mobile phone. Actually you can see this older mobile phone. Actually it's from Sigmatel S9 TV. The model number is actually TV means why they are mentioning TV means we can watch live TV guys in this mobile phone. Actually in previous around late 2000s here I am saying we can watch TV and all. It's a touchscreen also guys. Actually this is a very old phone. I don't know whether it's a Chinese or Korean made. Okay, once upon a time it's very popular in around 2005 or 2006 something, I'm not sure. Anyway, just now we are going to remove these all of these things and all. Just we can see what are the things were inside of this mobile phone. Actually it's a 3-inch touchscreen, I think so. It's a LED screen only guys, with the button type, and there is an antenna is also there. We can watch TV also. Here you can see like this antenna is also there. Not only that, you can use this antenna as you can see, you can write anything. You can use this antenna as a pen also, like screen pen. You can do anything. Anyway, just come on, let's now we are going to remove this panel and all. Let's see what are the things were inside. Here you can see, here's the dual SIM slot is there of this smartphone. Actually let's come on guys, now I'm going to remove this app. Actually there is screws, actually there is no screws here. You can see it just got molded. We can remove this panel actually, and there's a camera also there guys. I think it's I don't know exact resolution, it's a 0.3 it seems. It's a older smartphone. Actually it's a older phone. Actually the smartphone terms were introduced recent years only. Okay, let's come on. Just now I'm going to remove this panel. Yeah, come on. Yeah, it's coming. Just we can use this itself to remove this. Okay, it's came actually. Yeah, you can see it's came guys. Actually you can see it's broken, it seems. No issues. Yeah, just remove this up. That's it. You can see here's the screen and here's the motherboard. It's in the back side. Actually just I have removed this keyboard also. You can see I have removed this, all the keys in this motherboard. Actually seems it's good. Okay, just we need to remove this up. Let's come on. Yeah, you can see just we need to push this out. So you can see this is the older mobile of late 2000s. I don't know which year it is. It just got launched. Actually you can see here's the screen and here's the keyboard, so we can use. Actually you can see here's it. Okay, just we need to remove this out now. Let's come on. Yeah, it's came. You can see here's the camera guys. Actually you can see, and I think this both speaker it seems, because there is no speakers here. I think this is speakers it seems, and here's the camera. It looks so tiny. Actually it's good. I think we can remove this also. Let's see. Yeah, it's came. Yeah, come on. Yeah, it's came guys. You can see here's the camera guys. Actually here's a small camera module is there, and yeah, you can see there's two speakers were there. Actually you can see It's very loud, it seems. See, actually it's just got soldered. Actually you cannot able to remove this, just we can able to cut this wire if you need to remove this means. That's good. And you can see this is the camera. I think we can remove this out. Let's see. Yeah, it's came. You can see I removed this total things. Actually it's not a detachable one. I think I just plugged it out, and you can see here's the camera, guys. How tiny it is. This is the camera, and actually this is the entire motherboard of this smartphone actually. And here's the display, and then here's the, I think here we need to connect a charger. It's a port, charging port. It's good. Here's the SIM module is here. And okay guys, you can see here's the, I think this is a processor. Here it is, just got placed, and this is the entire total motherboard. You can see that's it. And here's the screen, touch screen, and buttons will be here. Okay, anyway, it's good. Actually here is the antenna, it seems, the cellular antenna actually. It's good. And okay guys, thanks for watching this video. Actually I'm not an expert in mobile phone hardware and all. That's good. Anyway, okay guys, anyway, thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you're having any queries or documents, just ask in the comment section. I will reply, guys, definitely. And do like us and subscribe our channel for more videos, guys. Bye. Let's say we'll see you in next video.